Welcome to Whiteboard Fun Facts. Ten reasons you should drink apple cider vinegar daily. Number 10. May have protective effects against cancer. The benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar: there are chances that it can protect you from cancer. Cancer is an uncontrolled growth of cells, and so many people believe that apple cider vinegar can help prevent getting cancer. There have been studies showing that vinegar kills cancer cells and can also shrink tumors. However, the studies only tested on isolated cells in test tubes or rats, not actual humans. Number 9. It fights diabetes. While apple cider vinegar helps with lowering blood sugar levels, this means that one of the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar is fighting diabetes. In fact, those with type 2 diabetes have seen a drastic change in their blood sugar levels after drinking apple cider vinegar. Number 8. Relieves symptoms of acid reflux. One of the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar is that it can prevent these acid reflux symptoms from happening. It basically introduces more acid into your digestive tract and stops acid backflow. To help you, dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into an 8-ounce glass of water before eating. This should help prevent an unpleasant acid reflux. Number 7. Can lower cholesterol. Among the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar, it can certainly lower cholesterol. Cholesterol is known to be a fatty substance that can block your arteries and even lead them to narrow down and harden. This also leads to straining your heart and forcing it to work harder by pushing blood through. Number 6. Improve your skin's health. It doesn't help with just acne but scarring too. Since vinegar is well known for its antibacterial properties and shows its effectiveness through many strains of harmful bacteria, this defeats the bacteria that forms acne. Apple cider vinegar also contains other components like acetic acid, lactic acid, succinic acid, and citric acid. They're all known to strain the bacteria that are responsible for acne. Number 5. It lowers blood pressure. While drinking apple cider vinegar can help regulate blood sugar levels, it can also lower blood pressure. Among the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar, it can actually help with blood pressure that can possibly cause heart disease. This is easily the more natural way to reduce high blood pressure. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. One of the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar is helping you maintain proper levels. In order to maintain blood sugar levels, dilute 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in an 8-ounce glass of water. Drink this before eating any large meals. Number 3. Reduce your risk of heart disease. Cardiovascular disease, which is heart disease, is pretty common and it's currently the world's highest cause of death. One of the ways to prevent this is by consuming apple cider vinegar. It may also contain the antioxidant chlorogenic acid that protects LDL cholesterol particles from getting oxidized. Number 2. It's an amazing detox. Since there are so many benefits that come with drinking apple cider vinegar, it's no shocker that it's also a form of detox. To balance out pH levels and even encourage lymphatic drainage and increase circulation, consuming apple cider vinegar is a great way to cleanse out the body and completely detox it. Number 1. It helps with weight loss. So many people use apple cider vinegar to help them lose a few pounds. Health experts even highly recommend drinking this as part of your diet to boost weight loss. It's suggested to consume only 2 tablespoons per day of just apple cider vinegar over 12 weeks to notice a difference in your weight. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button.